Alright guys, so here at Daytona Bike Week 2023. We're at the Dr. Jekill Mr. Hyde booth. We're checking out this 2020, I believe it's 22 or 23 Indian Pursuit with their exhaust on it. It's a pretty cool little setup, so I'm gonna let them describe what's going on so that way you can see what it's about.
Hey, this is Eddie here at Dr. Jekill Mr. Hyde Exhaust. We are the U.S. importer. We are new to the U.S. market, but not new to the industry. We've been around for 25 years. We're based out of Holland. And our whole claim to fame is that we have an adjustable exhaust system that comes with 3 sound modes. Let's go ahead and hear it. 3 sound modes. So we'll start off when you start the bike, the valve's closed and it's in the Dr. Jekill mode. And we'll go ahead and put it on now. As you can see, you can hear it's very similar to stock. By the touch of a button on your handlebar, it opens the valve to Mr. Hyde mode. So we'll go back to the valve's closed. Let me give you a third option, dynamic mode that sets the valve halfway, so if you hit the button 2 times. Halfway. Valve closed. Valve open.
I think it's nice to. What is good to add as information is that when the valve is closed, then we make sure that the exhaust gas go on the outside, so we will not lose any performance with the valve closed. When we open it up, you get a 5% more flow. That's where you get this nice rumble, and you get also a better performance out of it. And we're existing 25 years now. And in Europe, it's very strict from the law. That's where we come from. So in Europe, about 50% of new sold bikes within the categories that we deliver is equipped with Jekill Hyde, because people really like the fact that you can adjust wide and also give a little bit more performance and sound, and it's 100% street legal over there. Here, maybe less, but here it would be nice for sneaking in at night, gated communities, no matter all options you have, where you can really switch the button.
Okay. Yeah guys, real cool product, but it sounds amazing. I don't know how good it's gonna sound on this, but I mean, you really got to hear what it sounds like. It sounds good. You can feel the rumble every time it hits that throttle. Give them check them out, and see you guys on the next.
I really like the system. I liked it so much that I actually bought it. So right now they're building it and it's going to be shipped to me pretty soon. So if you want to see what it's like to install, hit subscribe, and I'll have a install video coming up hopefully pretty soon. In the meantime, listen to the sound of this guy's Pursuit when it first started up. I'll put a link to the company's webpage in the description below so you can check them out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Visit us at jekillandhyde.us.